So did you revise the topics? The topics that we discussed yesterday. What are charts? What are the types of charts? Components of charts and how the charts are helpful. It helps in the comparisons. It shows the relationships. And what is the command for inserting the chart? We studied it. The command is, yes, insert tab, charts group, and then you have to choose the desired chart type. Very good. So Nitya is answering. Yes, Bhavya. Will you repeat the command, bache?
Yes, ma'am. Insert tab charts group, then choose your desired chart.
Very good. So charts are the pictorial representation of the data, and with the help of any chart, for example, we studied column chart, line chart, bar chart, bubble chart, stock chart, है ना? So we studied so many types of charts. So you can use any chart to depict the data graphically, and then you can apply the components to the charts also. The components that we discussed are, who will tell me the components? Name the components of charts. Yes, Prerna. What are the components of charts?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, chart area, plot area, data points, legend, category axis, value,
Good.
chart
The components are chart area, that is the whole area. Then the plot area in which the chart is to be plotted, that is surrounded by x-axis and y-axis. The chart title, where you give the title of the chart. Axis title, the titles that we give onto the x-axis and y-axis. Then data labels, legends for the unique pattern or the unique color. So grid lines, data series, data points. So all the components are clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we continue with the topic now? Yes? So
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start with the new topic now. So I'm going to open the Excel worksheet that we did in the chapter 2. हमने chapter 2 में ये worksheet करी थी. You remember that? Remember or not? Yes? So in this worksheet, बच्चे, we studied where I have make one shopping bill, and then we use formulas and functions to find out the total price, and then we applied certain discount. Prerna, very good. So she is showing me the types of charts she have practiced. So Prerna, after I will end with the topic, now you will going to present your screen. We will show you to the screen, okay? हम class में show करेंगे. So that's a really good part on your work. Okay, after giving the discount, we have to calculate the final price. So let's insert the chart. So firstly, the first step for inserting the chart, you have to select the data series. आपको data series select करनी है जिसके ऊपर भी आपने chart को plot करना है. Now, for example, if I want to select item name, along with the item name, I want to represent price of the particular item graphically. So these two columns I am taking for depicting the chart. Once you have selected the data, you have to follow the command for inserting the chart. Insert tab, charts group, and then you have to choose the desired chart type. Look at the command again. Insert tab, charts group, then the desired chart types. These are the charts that are available. So for example, if I'm taking the column chart, so this way you can insert the chart. So if I'm taking this simple one, so this is the chart on the data that I have selected. So I have selected only two columns, item name and final price. So let it be, I'm moving this chart onto the next sheet now. So you can copy and paste the chart on the next sheet. Clear? So once again look at the data series. हमने किस data series से अपना chart बनाया है? So you can see I have taken item name and final price. Pen, eraser, pencil, sellotape, and the prices are coming 900, 225, 315, and 316. So see, pen, eraser, pencil, and sellotape. So this is the chart that we have plotted by selecting the data series. Now, when the chart will be inserted, bache, look carefully. Two tabs will appear under the chart tools, that is design tab, format tab. Now the question here is, which two tabs appear under the chart tools when we insert the chart? जब आप चार्ट इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे क्या चीज अपीयर हो रही है, कौन सी दो टैब्स अपीयर हो रही है? The two tabs are design tab and format tab. Now this is the chart title. हमने कल डिस्कस किया था कंपोनेंट में. What is chart title? The title, the heading that is given to the chart. Now for example, I'm changing it shopping bill. Clear? So this way you can give the chart title. You can increase the size of the chart by just dragging the corner handles. So I have increased the size of the chart. Title has been given. You can increase this also. You can move it also like this, wherever you want to place it, in the center or somewhere else. Now you can see, right click on it, you will get the option format chart title. Format chart title. Once you will click on the format chart title option, now see bache, so this dialog box on the right hand side will appear with the option format chart title. Now you can fill the colors inside it. So solid fill, with the help of solid fill you can fill the color. You can also fill the gradients. You can set the gradient type as linear, radial, rectangular, or path. For example, if I'm taking the radial, then you can have the color for the gradients from here. You can add the colors like this, mix and match. And here also you can change the color. Clear? So this way you can give the gradient. And from here you can set the transparency. Brightness you can set. So you can also fill, instead of gradient fill, you can give picture. So see, now the picture or the texture you can give. अगर आपने picture देनी है तो insert picture from file. So whatever the picture you will give, click on insert, the picture will be applied to the chart title. Clear? Or you can give the textures. So this way I can give texture to this. Pattern fills you can apply. So this is the formatting that you can do on the chart title. So once again I'm taking the pattern texture only. So let's format the chart title now. Increase the size. Then center align. You can change the color also like this. Okay? Clear how to format the chart title? Now the next thing is format plot area. So how to format the plot area now? So this is the plot area. You can see now plot area, the area that is surrounded by x-axis and y-axis. So click on the plot area options now. So you will get again fill options. You can give shadows also. So under the plot area, you can also again apply the fills that you want to apply. For example, if now I want to give the gradients here, so you can change the gradient fills, or you can give the solids also. This way you can change the colors. Clear? So this is the format area. Now next are the series, data series. ये data series है ना, आप data series को भी format कर सकते हो. So data series option, so fill, solid fills, change the color of the fill, like this. This way you can change. You can also give the textures like this. So textures can be given. The same way. Firstly, I have format the chart title. ये मैंने chart title पहले format किया था. After that, plot area has been formatted. Now we are formatting the series options. That is the data series components. The textures once again. And then the last one. Clear? Now the next, these are the axis options. ये axis आपको दिख रहे हैं ना? This is y axis and this is x axis. So x axis and y axis colors you can set. You can increase the size of the axis. Bold. See. Clear? Then text colors you can change. Pen, eraser, pencil and sellotape. The same way you can format the y-axis also. So now the y-axis values I'm formatting. So then you can give this way you can give the shadings, color effects, right? Now the next is, this is the chart area. The next thing we want to format, the chart area. So once again, click on the chart area. Colors, shadow effects, you can give glow effects. So I'm giving the size like this, 41 point. Transparency आपको कितनी set करनी है? This way you can set the transparency. And then the fill color. So I have taken the pattern now. Can you see the pattern at the back? Yes. So the patterns. Clear? Similarly to the plot area also, I can give little glow effect. Can you see glow effect outside the plot area and then to the chart area also? You can give effects to the series also. Now, clear? This way we can format the chart. So for formatting, what we have done, we have formatted the chart area, we have formatted the plot area, the chart titles, x-axis, y-axis, and the data series. So this is all about the formatting part. Now once again, I am clicking on the chart. So you can see again the two tabs are appearing, design tab and the format tab. Now under this, under the design tab, let's look at the various options. So under the design tab, we are getting charts layout group, chart styles group, location group. Location means when you want to move the chart from one sheet to another. ठीक है, तो आपने चार्ट को इस तरह से मूव करना है. Now let's look at the options under the chart styles group. Change colors. So you can change the colors of the chart. See, this way you can change the colors. There. So colors can be changed, then chart styles can also be changed. So these are the styles you can change like this. This way the chart styles can be changed. Then I have told you the option of change color. You can change the colors like this. Then the layouts of the chart. The chart layout can be changed this way. Now the next thing is add chart element. हमने बहुत सारे components study करे हैं. So let's discuss how to add the chart elements. So first thing is axis title. I want to add the axis title. अभी हमारे पास x axis और y axis आ रहे हैं, लेकिन उनके ऊपर title नहीं आ रहा, description नहीं आ रही. So I can give horizontal axis title. So you can see at the bottom axis title component has been added now. So these are the items. Item name. Item names. So I will format it again. Increase the size. This way you can format it. And then you can give a fill effect to it. So you can see na format axis title. अब axis title को हम format कर रहे हैं. So solid fill. So let it be the color. So green color I have given once again. So this is item name. Then you can give. You can 3D format it also. Clear? So these all are the formatting options. So item names. Similarly, once again, go to the design tab, add chart elements. Under the add chart elements, now you can give vertical axis title. So vertical axis title pe what will be the content? This is the final price. This was the final price. Now once again, we will format it. You can drag it like this. You can change the position. Once again, give the formatting. And then again, give the fills. And now I'm giving again this effects to my axis type. Clear? You can increase the size. So proper spacing can be set like this by just dragging so that equal spacing is there and it should be readable. So this is the final price. This is the vertical axis title, that is value axis title. At the bottom, I have applied horizontal axis title, that is category axis title. And then these are the axis. This is the y-axis. This is the chart title. Now let's look at the next component. So chart title is already there. This is above chart. Means जो आपका chart title है, वो chart के ऊपर आ रहा है. So you can give it on the centered overlay like this. This way the position can be changed. Now the next is data labels. Data labels means the exact value. कि पेन का कितना प्राइस था, इरेजर का कितना था. Now let's look. What is the price? The final price of the pen 900. And what is the final price of the eraser? That is 225. Now same we will be applying the data labels. Now let's look 900 and 225, then 315, then 316. So I'm applying the data labels at the center. So see, if I will click on the center option, the data labels will be applied in the center of the data series. Inside and the The alignment will be like this: inside base, outside end, and data callouts. So this way I can set the data label. So see, pen 900, final amount इसका 900 था ना. Same way eraser 225, pencil 315, cellotape 360. Once again you can look at the values, बच्चे. Clear? So once again you can format this also. Same way, under the format data label, fill options are there. So you can set the solid fills for that. So I have taken the colors now. And you can also increase the size. From home tab, bold. Similarly to this. Format painter, I'm applying to this. Similarly. Clear? So these are the data labels. You can change the position once again. Like this, you can keep it in the center, inside and clear. Now the next grid lines are already coming, horizontal lines are coming. You can see primary major vertical lines you can give, horizontal lines you can give it like this, or you can give it like this. So these are the ways you can give the grid lines to your chart. The next are the legends. So legend, where you want to display the legend, on the right side, on the top, onto the left side, or at the bottom. So let it be, I'm applying on to the right side. Now these are the legends. I can drag it here, or you can increase the size and little plot area to be decreased so that legends can be fit properly. This is the plot area and these are the legends. This way you can keep it here and then you can format it again. So I have minimized little a plot area so that the legends can be seen properly. So these are the legends. And you can increase the size. Give the colors, give bold effects. Similarly to the last one. Clear? Now inside the legends, I am giving the solid fill again. Then you can give the border to the legend area, solid line, and border I am giving with the help of green line. Then you can increase the width of the border. These are the legends. So you can change the position. Now you can place it on top. You can give on to the right, bottom. Accordingly, you have to format it. So once again, a quick revision. When we insert a chart, design tab and format tab appear. Under the design tab from charts layout group, you can add all the chart elements. So we have added all the chart elements here. So I'm giving a little border to this also. Then cam type you can take from here. and the width of the border. Clear? Similarly to this also. Border to the plot area, border to the chart title means every formatting options you can give to every other component. So under the design tab, add chart element, all the elements can be added. You can change the colors from the here, you can change then chart styles from the chart styles group, and under the format tab you can apply the formatting like this shape styles are coming, so this way you can change the color to your shapes, shape fill. The colors can be changed from here also, or alternative the formattings are coming on to the right side. Shape outline means the border things you can get. So this is all about the charts in Excel. So we have covered till page number. Now come on to your book. Page number 30, bache, we have done. Page number 31, changing the chart type. This is the last topic we are left with. Changing the chart type, that is from the design tab. So you can change the chart type from here. This is change chart type. Clear? Column chart is already coming, so you can choose any. After the column chart, there is a line chart. Click on it. So the chart will convert it into the line chart. Once again, change chart type. Click on it. Pie chart. The chart will be converted into the pie chart. Next, you can choose bar chart. So this is the bar chart. Area chart. How much area has been covered with respect to the time. XY chart. So the charts can be changed from the change chart type option under types group in the design tab. Clear? In the combo chart, you can take column and line charts. These things I have already told you yesterday. So page number 31, changing the chart type. We have done with this topic. Changing the data range of the chart means जौन सा डेटा चेंज करोगे, जिस डेटा को सिलेक्ट करोगे सिर्फ उतनी डेटा सीरीज पे आपका चार्ट प्लॉट होगा. चेंजिंग चार्ट स्टाइल्स, ये भी हमने यहाँ से कर लिया है. Chart styles can be changed like this. Changing the background colors and patterns. So format plot area, format chart area, format data series, format the axis. All these options on page number 32 and 33. Then top tip पे आ जाओ बच्चे. Changing the quick layouts. So these are the quick layouts under the charts layout group. So I have told you this option also. So you can change the layout of a chart by clicking on the quick layout option in the charts layouts group. The last one is the moving a chart option. So this is the move chart option available on the location group under the design tab. What you have to do, just click on the move chart option under the location group. The move chart dialog box will appear. Select the desired option, for example, like the object in option, and select the sheet where you want to move the chart. For example, now if I want to move this chart on sheet 1, अभी मेरा chart sheet 2 पे है ना, I want to move this chart onto the sheet 1, so I will click OK. And moving on to the sheet 1C, the chart is available on sheet 1 now. Once again, when I want to move this chart onto the sheet 2, click on the move chart. On which sheet you want to move the chart. So I am selecting the sheet 2 now. Click OK. So on sheet 1, I am having the data. On sheet 2, the chart has been changed. Chart has been shifted or moved to the sheet 2 now. So that completes our chapter. Any doubt to anyone now in any of the options? To anyone? Yes. All the concepts are clear. How to insert chart, how to format it, how to apply the components, how to give background colors, how to format the components. Yes, Yes, bache, any doubt? Tell me. All the topics are clear? Yes, Bhavya?
यस मैम, मैंने पूछना था कि जो साइड पे आते हैं ये फॉर्मेट चार्ट एरिया, ये फॉर्मेट डाटा सीरीज, मैम ये कहाँ से क्लिक करके आते हैं?
Actually, when you are clicking on a particular component, it will automatically appear, or either you can take it from the format tabs. Format tab के अंदर भी आपको ये सारी options मिल जाएंगी. Otherwise, when you will click on it, automatically like this, you can see the properties windows are appearing. That is format chart title.
यस थैंक यू। और मैम मैंने एक और चीज पूछनी थी कि जब हम मूव करेंगे तो मैम दूसरी जगह से मैम वो इरेज हो जाएगा डाटा?
हाँ जी, when you are shifting means you are moving. Moving का मतलब होता है cut and paste, not copy and paste. Means जब हम पेस्टिंग करते हैं तो दो ऑपरेशन इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, कॉपी एंड पेस्ट। तो उसमें पहली जगह पे ओरिजिनल जगह पे भी रहते हैं और पेस्ट न्यू जगह पे भी होते हैं। बट व्हेन यू आर मूविंग, मूविंग मीन्स कट एंड पेस्ट। कट एंड पेस्ट मीन्स from the original position, from the original location it will get cut, वहां से कट हो जाएगा and it will get pasted onto the new location. So it will basically moved हो गया एक position से दूसरी position. Okay?
Okay मैम, thank you मैम।
Ma'am, I want to show my Excel sheet.
Prerna, we will do this on Monday because the time is up. Okay? So you are having a break now. So other students also, like the same way Prerna has made a chart, you people also make one worksheet, insert a chart, apply all the components, do the formatting. So we will be presenting different types of charts from different students on Wednesday. Okay? Along with, we will be discussing the exercises also. Clear? So revise the concepts and do this practical revision. Take care. See you on Monday now.